Heart shines forward. And exhale. And just continuing here with your breath, letting go of the day thus far, allowing yourself to really come into this present moment, whatever that means for you. As your friend, I would say, yeah, just really give yourself this time. Focus on the sensations you feel as we move throughout this practice. You may notice how you feel here, a little tired, or maybe perhaps energized, or something in between. Exhale, round through the spine. And as you do this, really claw through the fingertips. Take some of that added pressure out of your wrists. Inhale. And we'll begin to gently deepen the breath, marrying our breath with this movement and the movement with the breath. So drop the belly, inhale, look forward, cow pose, slow and steady to begin with.